In the ever-evolving world of kitchen appliances, the search for the perfect faucet sprayer is a daunting task. Look no further as we unveil a range of the best kitchen faucet sprayers that will revolutionize your culinary experience. Combining sleek aesthetics with exceptional functionality, these sprayers are the pinnacle of innovation and practicality. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best kitchen faucet sprayers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Delta Kitchen Faucet Touch, your ultimate kitchen companion. It takes the 5th spot on our list of must-have faucets. Say goodbye to messy hands with its innovative touch-on, touch-off feature. Simply tap anywhere on the spout with your wrist or forearm to start and stop the water flow. Not only does this faucet boast convenience, but it also offers durability. With the patented diamond seal technology, it lasts twice as long as the industry standard, ensuring leak-free operation throughout its lifetime. Tackle stubborn messes effortlessly with the powerful shield spray technology. Its protective sphere contains splatter, allowing you to spend less time scrubbing. Compared to standard sprays, it reduces splatter by an impressive average of 90%. Installation is a breeze with the Delta Kitchen Faucet Touch. It fits both single-hole and 3-hole, 8-inch configurations. Everything you need comes in one convenient box, including an optional deck plate for 3-hole installation and Innoflex PEX supply lines, which minimize the risk of leaks. Priced at $327. Meet the Kraus Kitchen Faucet, a perfect blend of elegance and functionality. Ranked number 4 on our list, this faucet boasts a mesmerizing two-tone brushed gold, matte black finish that exudes modern luxury, complementing any kitchen decor. Rest assured, the wear-resistant finish ensures it maintains its captivating allure for years to come. Equipped with 2 impressive features, this faucet proves its versatility. The pot filler provides an aerated stream for effortlessly filling large pots and pitchers, while the pre-rinse sprayer offers a powerful blast to tackle stubborn food residue. With convenient features like magnetic docking for secure placement and easy-clean rubber nozzles for hassle-free maintenance, this faucet guarantees a strong and long-lasting water flow. Crafted with durability in mind, this faucet features all-metal construction, including a metal body and a stainless steel spring spout. The high arc spout offers a 360 degrees swivel for maximum maneuverability, allowing easy access to clean your largest cookware. Unlock the potential of your kitchen with the Kraus Kitchen Faucet, priced at $327. Discover the Fostina Kitchen Faucet, the perfect addition to any busy kitchen. This heavy-duty faucet, ranked at number 3 on our list, is designed to withstand the demands of a bustling cooking space. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, its body and handle ensure durability, while the rust-resistant finishing adds a touch of elegance. With its 3-way functionality, this faucet combines your kitchen faucet and water purification needs in one convenient unit. Say goodbye to separate filter faucets and save valuable space on your sink. From hot and cold water to RO system connections, this faucet has got you covered. Enjoy clean, filtered water from the source to the spout, ensuring a healthier lifestyle for you and your loved ones. Cleaning out is a breeze with the dual mode setting. Choose between the stream and spray modes for filling and rinsing tasks. The ABS honeycomb aerator guarantees a soft and steady water flow, eliminating splashing and reducing noise. Plus, it's eco-friendly, saving up to 30% of water with its quality aerator. Upgrade your kitchen with the Faustina Kitchen Faucet, available at an unbeatable price of $129. Introducing the Qomolangma Commercial Kitchen Faucet, your ultimate kitchen companion. Ranked at number 2, this faucet is packed with innovative features to enhance your cooking experience. Equipped with LED lights, it intelligently changes color according to the water temperature, ensuring your family's safety from scalds. No batteries needed. The lights activate as soon as water flows through. What sets this faucet apart is its sprayer lock design, guaranteeing convenience and effortless cleaning. The pull-out sprayers enable you to effortlessly reach every corner of your sink. With the dual functions of stream and spray, you can tackle any cleaning task with ease. Enjoy maximum flexibility with the 360-degree swivel sprayer and spout, allowing you to multitask efficiently. The pre-rinse faucet ensures high pressure while conserving water. Adjusting water temperature and flow volume is a breeze, providing you with a delightful user experience. Get all these remarkable features and more for the unbeatable price of just $89. Say hello to the Moen Kitchen Faucet with Power Clean, the top pick for your kitchen. With its impressive features, it's no wonder it's #1 on our list. Say goodbye to smudges and water spots with its spot-resist stainless finish, keeping your kitchen looking pristine. The Power Clean spray technology delivers an incredible 50% more spray power compared to other faucets without this feature, making cleaning a breeze. Thanks to the reflex system, the pull-down pull-out spray head operates smoothly and securely docks after use. Enjoy the flexibility of the pull-down hose and its automatic retraction. It offers two functions, an aerated stream for daily cleaning and a powerful rinse for tougher tasks. Installing is a breeze with the included deck plate for 3-hole setups. Plus, it's ADA compliant, meeting accessibility standards. And all of this can be yours for just $159. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.